Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to find the news section in the Premier League application. The very first thing you need to do is enter the app. After doing so, you will see down below that you have 5 options to click on. You should click on the second option. And after you scroll down a little bit, you will see the news segment here, being the very first one. Click on that and now you can see all the news present in the application. Then you can see the news regarding your favorite team. In this account I have selected Arsenal to be my favorite team, and you can clearly see that there are a lot of news regarding Arsenal. There are also news regarding the club and the youth. So here you will find anything that you search for. I hope this video was helpful and see you next time. Bye bye.